In this video, I will quickly show you how to withdraw money on Fiverr after completing your work. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, click on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Next, select the earnings option to view your available balance. Remember that funds become available only after the order is completed and approved by the client. When the balance is ready, click the Withdraw button to start the withdrawal process. Then choose your preferred payment method, such as PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer. After that, confirm the withdrawal and wait for the payment to be processed. The time to receive your money may vary depending on the payment method selected. Always make sure your payment details are correct before confirming. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money on Fiverr easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.